Today is a real sentimental show for me because the theme of the show, I'm going back to the original bag lady days when I started my business. It's hard to believe that it's been 16 years now. And you see this little container. You know, it may not mean much to you, but it brings back the very beginning of my business to me. I tried these little clear containers so that the people could see the food without touching it, so it was completely germ-free by the time they got it. So I love these little containers. I get weepy every time I see one. You know, my beginnings were very, very humble. For those of you that don't know my story, I started 16 years ago with $200, and I was really kind of a desperate woman. I was like at a crossroads in my life. I was 42 years old, and I really wanted to take responsibility for myself and my children and hopefully give us something that would take care of us if we took care of it. And y'all can see Gertie's hanging very close to me this morning. I don't know if she's going to let me get up to the stove to make this dish or not. But the first dish I want to share with y'all is almond chicken salad. This is just boiled chicken. It's 2 breasts. Now I'm going to take half a cup of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and I'm going to mix those together. And I found, y'all, that the simplest ways that I did things always seemed to be more pleasing. Now I'm just going to add these 2 ingredients together, and I'm going to toss my chicken in the bowl. I mean, this is almost just like stupid easy. I'm going to add celery, and I'm going to add slivered almonds. There's not even any boiled eggs in this chicken salad. And I'm going to season it with pepper and a little salt. And then just toss it with the mayonnaise mixture. All right, and that's how simple that salad is. It's so good. The lemon juice just perked it right up. Now I want to show y'all how I would package these meals to send out. If I can open the container, it's been quite a few years since I bought these little containers, but I would just fill my bottom up with lettuce. If you pack your own lunch, this is a great way to do it. You can save your containers from the grocery store when you buy strawberries or blueberries. You can save those and package your lunch up in these little containers. All of my salads, I garnished them up real pretty so they would just like irresistible looking. Now I would package this with a lemon twist on it, and then I would sprinkle it with the almonds. And of course, it's not complete without a little parsley. But it was a perfect way to package my bag lady lunches. Makes me weepy to think about those days.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.